Our first recipe, we'll be doing our avocado cucumber salad with aloe dressing. So, madali lang po ito. Ang i-prepare muna natin is our vegetables and then our dressing. So, let's start with our cucumber. So, for the cucumber, ang gagawin po natin, hatiin natin siya into quarters. Apat. Make sure pala na nahugasan nyo na yung inyong vegetables. Okay. So, gagawin natin, tatanggalin nyo lang yung middle part. Tapos, ito, natanggalan natin ng seeds. Hiwain natin siya ng small cubes. So, ito pong recipe na to, hindi naman po siya limited to these vegetables. Yung dressing na gagawin natin, pwede rin po siyang ilagay sa iba pang mix ng vegetables. Pero for this one, since in season ng ating avocado, so we like enjoying yung mga seasonal na fruits and vegetables. No? So, let's cut this konti. So, pwede kayo mag-prepare as many as you like, as little as you like. Pwede rin naman. Pwedeng preparation na siya for the entire day or for lunch. Pwede rin siyang for sharing. Yes, we have our cucumbers. Next is our tomato. Tomato, pwede rin mas marami. This is a very refreshing salad preparation. Okay, so next is our avocado. Enjoy natin yung avocado while it's in season. So, gawin natin. Gawin nyo lang siyang parang cubes. If you don't like avocados, you can skip avocados, or if hindi na siya in season, you can still make this recipe. Okay, so I have here some parsley that you can add. So, chop lang natin siya. If you don't have parsley, it's okay. Roughly chop lang natin siya. So, just add it here. here, the parsley. And then, I have here red onion. So, itong red onion, kahit half lang siya, okay lang. Kung ayaw mo ng too spicy. Then, ang gagawin natin sa kanya is this half, i-cut lang natin siya ng pahaba. Okay. Tapos, using a bowl, we'll add it in the bowl. Tapos, ibabad natin siya in water. So, what will happen is that mas magiging lesser yung sa konting water. So, pwede mo na siyang paghimo-himulayin. Then, we'll just add it later kapag ready na yung ating salad. Okay. So, next is what we're going to do, we'll prepare the greens naman. So, the greens, simple lang. What you can do is that, using this one, yung serving platter natin, ilalagay nyo lang siya sa ilalim. Okay. You can, using your hands, pwede nyo siyang i-tear, or you can rough chop it. Sa bottom yung serving platter. Okay, just like this one. Now we'll prepare our dressing. So, using 1 lemon. So, i-roll nyo lang siya to get all the juices out. Then, kung meron kayong lemon squeezer, you can use that. But for this one, you can use a spoon to help you get all the juices out. For this one, I'll just use half a lemon. Make sure to squeeze everything out. Okay, tapos tanggalin yung seeds. Okay, so next is what I have here. So this one is roughly about 2 tablespoons. So what we're gonna do is let's add in our extra virgin olive oil. Okay. About the same amount of your lemon juice. And we'll add in our aloe mango. So for the aloe mango, about 2 to 3 cups. So, mas lalong magiging refreshing yung salad recipe natin. So, the aloe is very good to help your digestive tract for nutrient absorption. Ayan. Then, para magkaroon siya ng balanced taste, lagyan natin ng salt and pepper. So, just have to crush some salt there. And a bit of pepper. So, diba? Very, very simple lang to make. Ayan. Okay. Now that we have the dressing, so, i-ano lang natin siya. Haluin lang natin siya. Okay. Well. So, once it's incorporated, okay, we'll add some sa ating prepared veggie, cucumber, avocado, tomato, parsley mixture. Yan. So, now, we can add in our red onions na binabad sa tubig. Okay, sama lang natin siya dyan. And we'll toss it. So, make sure lang halo-halo na sila dyan. So, this one, 2 persons can share. Or this can be like your pang-holiday mo na for your lunch and dinner. Your healthy lunch and dinner. Later, we'll prepare the protein na naka-terno nitong ating avocado cucumber salad. So, now I have the bed of greens. Pwede natin siyang ipatong na doon. You can also add yung garbanzos. Yan, that's another nice option to add. Okay, so as simple as that, we have our avocado cucumber salad with aloe dressing. Yan. For our second recipe, we'll be doing a very simple chicken nugget recipe. So, yung mga ayaw nang bumili sa fast food and you want to do it from scratch, this is an easy recipe na no need to deep fry. We will be using air fryer for today. So, first what I have here is 1/4 kilograms of ground chicken. So, yan. Meron naman akong nabibili sa grocery na naka-ground na. So, what we're going to do is to add in, to earthify it, we'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of our personalized protein powder. So, tulong din siya para mabind yung ating chicken. Of course, we'll add in our seasoning and flavoring. So, anong ilalagay natin? We have here paprika. We also have garlic powder. If you have onion powder, pwede din. Dagdag nyo na rin onion powder. Then we'll also add our salt and pepper. Now you see I'm wearing plastic gloves kasi kakamayin natin yan siya to combine. So if you don't have air fryer, pwede na rin po siyang gamitan ng oven. Or if pan fry niyo siya, pwede naman. Just use healthy cooking oil. So, make sure this is well combined. Meron tayong crave na for chicken nuggets. So, ito po pwede nyo rin siyang i-prepare with kids or as your kids meal. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa freezer as pambaon. Okay. Now that it's well combined, ang gagawin po natin is gagawa po tayo ng flour coating. Ito, flour coating, also our yung egg. Para doon natin siya i-dip and then gagawa natin siya ng layers. Okay, so just this. Okay. Here, I have yung air fryer na nilayin ko na with what do you call this? Yung oil. Okay, so ngayon, so gagawin natin 3 stations. So una, itong egg. Then you can do 1 or 2 eggs. Okay. Tapos, make sure lang na siya well beaten. Next is yung ating flour mixture. Lalagyan din natin siya ng lasa. So, yung flour, lalagyan po natin ng kung ano yung mga pinampalasa natin kanina. Lagay lang natin ulit. We have salt. Okay. We have pepper. Also, we have garlic powder. And our paprika. So, this would be our flour coating. If you want to use breadcrumbs, pwede din po. If you want to use oat flour, pwede din po. Any flour naman will do. Okay? So, now that we have all these 3, we'll set up. So, you can prepare this recipe, say, a day before yung siya kakainin. Pwede rin namang diretso na. Maganda siya, nilalagay mo na lang sa freezer. And you can pop it anytime. Gusto mo ng chicken nuggets. Okay, so using a spoon, just get some of the chicken mixture. Tapos, isi-shape mo na siya like a chicken nugget. So, ano ba yung nakasanayan ng shape ng chicken nugget? Ayan. So, just like this. And then, i-roll natin siya doon sa ating flour mixture. So, isang beses mo na doon. Ikot. Ikot mo lang siya dyan. Tapos, lipat ka sa egg. Okay. And then, balik ulit sa flour mixture. And then you just have to repeat this step. Okay. Tapos, i-line up mo siya sa air fryer mo. I make sure na lagyan mo na siya ng cooking spray or na brushan mo na siya ng oil para hindi siya magtitikit. Okay, so I'll just continue to make these nuggets. So, pakita ko lang muna siya kung ano yung magiging itsura niya sa pan. Okay, so here, yan, align na siya dyan. So, I have 4 pieces, then later on, I'll add in some more. Pero, to show you lang, so pag isasalang nyo na siya ganyan, okay, so you just have to set it at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Kapag hindi pa siya ganun kaluto, you can flip it and then wait for another 5 minutes. After 15 minutes, naluto na yung ating nuggets. Ayan. So, makikita niyo golden brown na siya. Ready to eat. Very pretty. So, you can take your lunch, your healthy lunch, yung salad nyo, your protein, and your extra fruit. Ayan. So, complete and balanced meal. So, thank you very much for joining me today. I hope that you try all these recipes and maybe you could also come up with healthy recipes using our Herbalife products. Thank you very much.